Hop up in your truck, buddy.
Oh,
Boop, 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 boop. Get in your truck. What? Boop, boop.
Look at me.
Boop, boop. Yeah, get your stuff out of there. Yeah, you gotta get that out of there. Yeah. Get all the stuff out of the trunk. Carl, he's gonna go in through the back. Hey, you're going the wrong way, buddy.
Be careful. Get your hand out of there.
Coop, hey, where you going, buddy? Hey.
Yeah, you have to do the cutouts. Good job. No. No. Like you gotta do the shapes.
Hey. Cooper, come here. Cooper, come here. Come here, buddy. Hey, Coop. Cooper, come here.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Cooper!